Here at Walmart at Pelham, and see it, and that's what they have right here. I found some of these aisles in Walmart and Pelham. I found this cool Nascar diecast too. Oh, they have some of these not bad. And I'm looking here. Tech and dude, they have new Nascar trucks. They have Dale Suarez and Christian. Oh, no Toy Story toys here. I don't like these. I don't like these. Yeah, and they have lots of them Toy Story. That Buzz Lightyear. That Woody from Toy Story. Humble the street all the time.
Where's my rope? Gotcha. Well, howdy. I'm Sheriff Woody. Whoa! This town ain't big enough for the two of us.
Take the whole thing. If I need this correction again, but I need to paint the windows right like the Acura from the movie. Yeah. I already have Sally. Got cuts. They have DJ Boo. Boo's not in there. They have DJ. It's not Rod Wingo from Cars. I'm gonna get these later. I already have these. I'm gonna get the rest of them later. Everything with this. Oh yeah, I already have this. Yeah, I already have this. I get this. Oh yeah, I'm actually get this. Probably get the rest tomorrow. And I'm not gonna go buy this stuff for sure. I'm gonna buy this one. I can buy that for free. That would do wrestling figures. I was gonna get those. I'll look at the Mario section. Oh look, the same crap they sell here. I already have football. They have all Mario's left. Pretty far like in. That was Sonic Prime. This is Acura for the Netflix Sonic. I'm gonna get these later on. I'm gonna get these.